Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we've got more truck news for the mid-size Ford lovers out there like myself. The Ford Maverick is making a comeback after some 40 years of being discontinued, but in truck form. Let's dive into the new mid-size Maverick truck in all of its affordable hybrid glory. I know, not the opening you were expecting, huh? Well, right off the bat, in order to appreciate the uniqueness of the new Ford Maverick, you have to understand its roots. The Ford Maverick was originally a muscle car that began production in 1969 and lasted through the late 70s, and was offered in either a two-door coupe or four-door sedan with a number of powertrain options in between. You could pick up the old Maverick with a 170 cubic inch straight six through its final 302 Windsor V8 model at the end of its run. Fast forward to 2021-2022, we've got the revival of the Ford Maverick, but in truck form. Ford decided to bring back the Maverick name, but revive it into a mid-size pickup that is even smaller than the Ford Ranger, with a more affordable price tag, which I'll get to later on. Ford straight up said in their press release that they designed this truck after watching people at home improvement and furniture stores, as well as college kids moving into and out of dorms struggling to load into crossovers and cars. Those cargo limitations inspired them to create a truck for people who may not have been previously interested in one. An engineering specialist at Ford who helped develop the Maverick bed said the whole bed is a DIY fan's paradise, which I'll get to a little bit later on. With that said, the new Ford Maverick has a few things that jump out as unique. For one, it comes standard as a full hybrid, the first full hybrid truck in America, with an EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon city and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. This is a perfect daily driver, mid-sized truck for guys and gals who want something that can handle a respectable haul without compromising fuel efficiency. Certain models have the potential to be more efficient than a Honda Civic, so it really opens doors for those who want the efficiency of a small hybrid sedan but want the capabilities of a truck. The hybrid standard comes equipped with 2.5-liter Atkinson Cycle 4-cylinder powertrain that rocks 191 horsepower in conjunction with the electric motor and 155 foot-pounds of torque. The downside to the hybrid model is that it is only available in front-wheel drive. The alternative option is to spend a little bit more dough to pick it up with the optional 2-liter EcoBoost motor as opposed to the hybrid option. Definitely a better option for those who want a bit more capable pickup that adds an all-wheel drive option for better terrain management. The EcoBoost option delivers 250 horsepower and 277 foot-pounds of torque. The difference is pretty significant, but not everyone needs power or four-wheel drive for that matter. If you're in need of more storage space for road trips and hauling bikes or surfboards around, and you want to save on gas in the process, the standard hybrid is honestly a great way to go. If you're heading off-road a bit more, or you want something more capable of pulling, say, a small camper, then having that EcoBoost option with four-wheel drive is really useful. Let's talk about the models and their features. You can head to Ford's website to build your own if you're interested in following along. The Maverick is available with the standard trim lineup, XL, XLT, and Lariat, with the Lariat First Edition available at launch as well. Each of these trim packages have the hybrid standard or the EcoBoost option, which adds around $1,100 to the front-wheel drive option, or $3,400 if you want the Eco and all-wheel drive. The XL, or more base model, starts at $19,995. A great starter price for a pretty capable midsize. The XLT comes in at around $22,000 and Lariat at $25,000. All of which are notably more affordable than the starting prices for the Ford Ranger. The truck only comes with a standard 4.5-foot flex bed, which is a half foot smaller than the Ranger's bed, but more equipped for versatility. The flex bed has convenient 2x4 and 2x6 slots that help segment the bed as needed or create your own utility racks and bins. Like I said earlier, it's made for the DIY folks out there. Upgraded packages offer additional tie-downs, locking rails, spray and bed liners, and power outlets with USB ports and power adapters included to help take the flex bed even farther. Inside the truck, Ford included FITS, Ford Integrated Tether System, which is basically a clever system that allows for personalization by the rear seats. FITS helps with multitasking by using available accessories like cup holders, a storage bin and trash bin, cord organizers, hooks for purses or grocery bags, and dividers for underseat storage. The higher package Lariat includes ActiveX synthetic leather heated seats in that desert brown that I saw earlier, along with the steering wheel, along with other luxuries like dual zone climate, ambient interior lighting, power sliding rear window, paint matched mirrors, and other amenities. The luxury package adds a power moonroof, black roof, remote start key fob, wireless charging pad, additional USB connectors, premium speakers, and more. The first edition package can add exclusive features like different wheel options, tonneau cover, and unique hood and side decals. The FX4 package, while requiring all-wheel drive, adds all-terrain tires, skid plates, a unique drive mode for sand, mud, and ruts, along with some other tow package features and tow hooks. The 4K tow package increases its towing capacity from the standard 2,000 pounds to 4,000 pounds, just a bit less than the Ranger. The color options with the Maverick are pretty on point, pulling some from the Bronco and some from the Ranger family lineups. You get your standard colors, but in addition, there are some nice options like Area 51, Alto Blue, Hot Pepper Red, Cyber Orange, and Cactus Gray, which are some of my personal favorites. The Maverick is slated as a 2022 model truck, which means production is starting soon and they'll be hitting dealer lots later this year. There's honestly quite a bit that makes the new rendition of the Ford Maverick an excellent choice for some new potential truck owners. The truck is truly built for the everyday driver who needs more solutions to everyday tasks that other crossovers or even other mid-sized trucks don't offer. The hybrid gives you better MPGs, the utility capabilities give you a great bang for your buck, and the options can beef it up from there to make it even more of a capable truck beyond the already capable standards. Drop a comment below letting us know if you're going to be reserving yours, which starts now, and what your favorite feature is of the new Maverick. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all news like this, future product reviews, and content. And for all things Ford, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.